Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to delete search history on Google Maps. So, let's dive right in. To access your Google Maps settings and manage your search history, first open the Google Maps app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll typically find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once launched, tap on your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options related to your Google Maps account. From this menu, select Settings to proceed to the app's Settings section. Within the settings, locate and tap on Maps History. Tap Delete All Time and then confirm by tapping Delete again. To delete a specific time frame, tap Delete by Date and choose the desired date range. Then tap Delete to confirm. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now delete your Google Maps search history and keep your searches private. For more Google Maps tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe.